Start by naming your new bulk messaging campaign for easy tracking. Choose which phone numbers to send messages from, ensuring broad reach. Quickly select all available sending numbers to maximize delivery capacity. Set your optimal batch size to manage how many messages are sent at once. Control sending speed by choosing how frequently each batch goes out. Personalize the opt-out message to respect recipient preferences and stay compliant. Select the contact list for precise targeting of your chosen audience. Pick the right list to ensure messages reach the intended recipients. Apply a ready-made message template to save time and maintain consistency. Or enter your desired message here. Click Send Message to launch your campaign and connect instantly with your audience. Confirm compliance to guarantee each campaign meets industry standards. Click Send Message to have your campaign sent out instantly.